Hi there. As usual, everything in this world has a natural growth path, right? For any technology, new innovation, it growth up to certain extent, reaches the peak, matures, and thereafter start decline. And same thing is going to happen for the IT industry and computer science jobs because of AI disruptions. So if you are a child or a parent and planning a career in computer science area or the IT industry, then this video is for you. I'm going to decode what are the other areas other than computer science branches and top five branches which can be pursued as a great career prospect. So let's dive in. This is Maurya Hasan here, an alumnus of BITS Pilani, and I am Bangalore with 25 years of professional journey. Now I'm on a mission to help 100,000 children to become super achievers and lead a successful life. So let's get started. All right, as you can see, I'm going to cover these four areas. What are the current career prospects in the computer science area, and what are the current challenges in the IT industry that is facing? And of course, what are the future prospects? And what are the other potential area, other potential branches that can be pursued as a career and with a great prospect in coming 5 years, 10 years. So let's cover one by one. Current prospect, see in computer science area. So if somebody is planning a career in AI, machine learning language, there'll be a great demand for sure. We need a good demand, data sciences and analyst, and of course, cybersecurity specialists, cloud computing specialists. So these are the areas going to grow and of course stay for at least for a decade before they get mature. Right. Next part is let's see what are the challenges because AI disruptions. No, AI is going to disrupt most of the business, and for the IT industry also, most of the business and industry they need to revise their business strategy, the way they work. Also, they need to revisit their talent strategy because whatever the talents they need today, they may not require after 5 years, 10 years. So there are a lot of things are going to happen. Let's see what are the challenges. As we can see with AI disruptions, there'll be many AI powered automation going to happen where all the repetitive, simple, and anything and everything which is to be automated will be automated. So there'll be a drastic and significant reduction of the job at the basic level. Like as of now, if somebody is doing basic coding or application or infrastructure maintenance, which is going to be automated. So I mean, there'll be a drastic, significant decline in employment, but no, there'll be also opportunities that will be created out of this AI disruption. Other the opportunity that AI can create is new roles because there are many jobs which are many roles which are going to be transformed after reskilling, cross skilling because the current workforce that the companies and organizations they have, with AI disruption, they need to be reskilled. They need to cross train the area which is related to AI, right? So when I say job transformation, means there'll be new role is going to come up that I'm going to discuss is the future prospect area. And of course, the most important I would like to discuss here, right, is emphasis because the mostly technology front is going to get automated, right? So now the emphasis and demand will be on the soft skills where the creativity, emotional intelligence, critical thinking. Because why creativity? Because creativity is required to solve the business problem and technology problem, how things can be made better with higher speed, low cost, etc. And emotional intelligence to keep the team together for a common goal. And also we need a critical thinking to design and develop new solution and new services for the business that customer needs, right? So these are the current challenges and opportunities we are going to witness. Now see what are the future prospects. Now, what are the future demand of computer science area with AI disruption. So AI integration especially, there'll be a lot of new roles which will be transformed from the existing after reskilling. There'll be new demand for the AI integration specialists to integrate the artificial intelligence in the businesses and the other services and product front, right? And of course, with the growth, we are also going to get a significant growth in blockchain developers. It's going to grow for sure in coming 5 years, 10 years. There will be also growth in augmented AR and VR developers, augmented reality and virtual reality part, right? And also quantum computing area is going to grow and for is going to create a lot of potential employment and ethical AI consultant, because what happened, AI can be also misused, it can be manipulative for the copyright part, and also kind of it give us potential threat for the security and other part, right? So we need other like as of now, like we have no security ethical hacking. In the same way, there will be ethical AI consultant. They'll be doing their job. So these are the future prospects of the computer science area, which are going to emerge, which are going to grow, which are going to stay for a decade, right? So overall, my message is, if a child is really passionate, really good in this computer science, and can be excellent, then definitely go for it. There's huge potential. But just for the sake of number of employment, because so far number of employment have been enormous. As somebody getting a computer science engineering degree and get employment very easily, but do not get for the number of employment perspective, because that's going to be decline for sure. Now, let's dive into what could be the alternative. What are the other potential areas, business areas, and what are the potential branches that can emerge, that can create a huge employment? So let's dive in. As you can see, the healthcare industry is booming now, and it is going to boom for the coming decades for sure, because of population, because of the a lot of diseases in place. When I say healthcare, normally people just see doctors and engineers. Not really. So there are a lot of potential area like drug manufacturing, pharmaceutical research, medical instrumentation, a lot of things, healthcare management, lot of things are going to emerge in this healthcare, which can create a potential employment and will create a potential employment. And infrastructure development, because infrastructure is a potential concern, and most of the government across the world, they are investing in infrastructure. So the branches related to infrastructure like mechanical, civil, electrical, they will for sure they are going to stay, and they are going to have a sustainable growth, right? And renewable and green energy, environmental engineering, because the environment is a big threat now, and it's a big danger for the humanity. So now the most of the government, most of the organization, they are going to invest a huge money in this environment preservation. So there'll be a requirement of for engineers who can take up like waste management, green energy innovation, and the EV, electrical vehicles, and other area which can create sustainability in the environment. And other than the technical front, technology front, no, the finance area is going to create a huge employment. A manufacturing area, because of population, people need to consume goods and services, right? So there'll be manufacturing growth. So any branch related to manufacturing is going to sustain and going to grow at a decent level, right? And e-commerce in a growth path, and is still big because of the viability, because of the business model is going to grow for sure. And as I mentioned, online education with the COVID, the online education is going to be a forefront. And again, online education is going to grow because it doesn't require any boundary. So if you are good at, you can teach or coach entire world, right? So all the technology, all the services related to education are going to grow for sure, right? And now let's see what are the top 5 branches, engineering branches, say, which are going to have a decent growth path. Software engineering, as I mentioned, AI, robotics, cloud computing, other area, and robotics engineering, biomedical engineering, environment engineering, infrastructure related engineering. So all these area is going to grow and will be a growth path for next decades and decades. All right, hope you could get some perspective, some kind of insight. So if you want to get more related information with the career, then you can subscribe the channel. And I have a gift for you. You can click your link around 15K, which you can claim related to your self discovery and other career resources. So hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much. I sign off. Bye bye.